Hello friends. Here's a chapter-wise explanation of Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse, turned into a story-driven conversation between Tom the seeker, curious, struggling with focus and motivation, and George the teacher, wise, calm, experienced in self-mastery. Each chapter comes alive through relatable, engaging dialogue with real-world examples. Chapter 1. The Dopamine Trap. Tom asks, George, why can't I just focus anymore? I sit down to work and end up scrolling through memes for an hour. George, because you've trained your brain to crave constant stimulation, Tom. Every scroll, every ping gives your brain a dopamine hit. It feels good in the moment, but over time, it rewires how your brain operates. So I'm addicted to, what, dopamine? George, exactly. Not dopamine itself, but the easy access to it. You're stuck in a loop. You reach for your phone when things get dull. Your brain now resists anything that requires effort or delayed reward. Chapter 2. Understanding dopamine. Tom asks, so what exactly is dopamine? Is it like a drug? George, not quite. It's a natural brain chemical that motivates you toward rewards. Think of it like your brain's way of saying, that looks fun, go get it. The trouble starts when everything becomes a quick reward. Videos, games, snacks. Even checking my messages. George, yes. Your brain gets used to easy wins and now struggles with anything that requires patience. Writing a report feels painful because it doesn't give you that instant buzz. Chapter 3. What is a dopamine detox? Tom asks, so you're saying I need a detox? Like no phone at all? George, not forever. Just enough to reset your reward system. A dopamine detox is like shutting down the background apps on your brain. You stop the constant stimulation and give your mind space to breathe. Sounds kind of intense. Like going cold turkey. George, it doesn't have to be. Start small. Try a few hours or a single day without your usual distractions. No YouTube, no snacks, no scrolling. You'll feel restless at first. That's your brain waking up. Chapter 4. How to do a dopamine detox, step by step. Tom asks, okay, I'm in. What do I do first? George, step 1. Identify your dopamine traps. For example, you might find yourself opening Instagram 20 times a day without realizing it. Guilty. George. Next, set a clear time frame. Let's say, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you cut out all digital distractions. And then what? Just stare at the wall. George. Replace the habits. Read. Journal. Do deep work. Talk to people. Yes, it'll feel boring at first. But boredom is the doorway to clarity. So instead of mindless content, I train my brain to enjoy slower, richer things? George. Exactly. You're not giving things up. You're trading cheap thrills for lasting peace. Chapter 5. Building long-term discipline. Tom asks, but what happens after the detox? I don't want to fall back into old habits. George. That's where discipline comes in. Start creating new routines, like a screen-free morning, or scheduling focused work blocks. Replace dopamine spikes with meaningful effort. So detox resets me. But discipline keeps me steady? George. Well said. You're training your brain to find joy in creating rather than consuming. The first week is the hardest. After that, it gets easier and more rewarding. Chapter 6. Reclaiming your mind. Tom asks, George, I feel different already. It's like I'm seeing the world with new eyes. George. That's the power of presence, Tom. When you stop numbing yourself with dopamine, life becomes more vivid. Conversations feel deeper. Books become engaging again. Even silence feels rich. So the detox isn't just about quitting bad habits. It's about choosing how I live. George. Yes. You're no longer reacting to the world. You're creating your experience. That's real freedom. Final recap by George. Tom, here's what I want you to remember. Dopamine isn't bad, But overexposure is. Detox helps you reset your sensitivity to reward. Start small. One day without your traps. Replace, don't just remove. Create new routines. Discipline is the bridge between detox and freedom. In stillness, you reclaim your mind and your life. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.